Namaste to all. I am Devyendra Ramesh Kumar, Department of APM, Assistant Professor from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Bhumi Vidyapur. Today our session is property of Divi.NET. We have discussed also regarding Divi.NET and its properties. Again we will discuss in detail. In Divi.NET, nothing but natural extension of data things. Nothing but it is identified by this extension means they are usually known as smart things. With Divi.NET community, we know that data encapsulation and handling are the two fundamental basics of this language. So in Divi.NET, encapsulation and data hiding, they are the two fundamental characteristics are built in property of Divi.NET. So we have discussed encapsulation, hiding. But again we repeat you the process of binding the data member and its function into a single entity. Data member of its function into a single entity known as encapsulation and hiding are the two fundamental characteristics. Okay, and hiding is abstraction property. Divi.NET property example, there are two mainly used in Divi.NET property, get and set method. Use the property keyword to issue program syntax. The property gets and sets values. These are two fundamentals, get and set. The property gets and sets value. The property is similar to a function with a getter and setter. Get means to return the value, set means to pass the value. Get means to return the value or set means to pass the value, save the value. That is the get and set property. It is also used in object oriented or get, getter and set method. So you know, get means return the value and set means to save the value, to pass the value. The property is similar to function with a getter and setter which controls access to a value. This value is called tapping a source. With get a property returns the value. We have already discussed that now. If get return the value, with set it has stored the value. Set means to pass the value or store the value. We must have both get and set values unless we specify read only or write only on the property. It is used unless read only or write only on the property. Get set on the number property we provide get and set block. In get we return a value, the backing a source on. In set we receive a parameter. In set we receive a parameter and they must store in it the count string. Types, a property can have any data type. The property can have any data type. It does not need to be an integer. It can be class. So what? Type, a property can have any data type. It does not need to be an integer. It can be class only. Okay. So and additional logic can be inserted in either get or set. We add additional properties and a get set method. This extra layer of int direction is often used to validate arguments, and this is often used for validate arguments. Assign, when the value 1 is assigned to the number property, set executed. The count field has stored the value 1 and count field has stored the value 1. Provide get set, a property must have both get and set members. The property must have both get and set members. It is possible to use the read only and write only keywords to eliminate this requirement. To provide get set, a property must have both get and set members. It is possible to use the read only and write only keywords to eliminate. Count, the count property returns a constant integer but it could perform any calculation or return the value of a string. Caution: if we try to assign a value to count, we get this error. Property count is zero only, so don't do that. So here count is a count the value by 1. Okay. So but get to perform any calculation or return the value of a string. Caution: if we try to assign a value to count, we get this error. Property count as zero only. So what count means? Increase the value by 1 or return the value. Caution: if we try to assign a value to count, we get this error. Property count is only, so don't do that. Automatic. Here automatic when the auto implemented property use shorter syntax form. Then we do not specify the get or set method, we just the property keyword and the declaration statement. Okay, so automatic property is just shorter syntax form. Then we do not specify the get or set method, we just the property keyword and the declaration statement. Then this is a string property. We make it public. It contains the name of the dog object created. In db.string, use the string type, create, search and modify a string, create a string and function. A string is a collection of characters. In one, with point representation of any kind of data. A large selection of a string is a collection of characters or group of characters. A large selection of a string based function are available. A string function for some of these methods, we call them on a string. There are in db.txt are the following properties. A string, a string function means some these methods we call them on a string instance, but on others we invoke them from the starting type of shell function. So this is the string function. If you declare, if you pass the string, it will give you a string function. So thank you to all. I think you like my videos. Okay.